cigarettes. No, no. I'm not selling cigarette. Scoot wife. No cigarette here. No liquor. Not allowed. Not allowed. You know, there is a lot of people. There is many people looking for um cigarettes, liquor, but I don't have. Pabili ng kape. Dali, mag-coffee ta. Not allowed liquor and cigarette. Because my parents uh, don't drink and smoking. And also are religion. We are religious. Scoot white, marijuana and cocaine. Oh my goodness, that's bad. And then you will go in the prison. Prison ba? In the jail. And then if they knows that you selling marijuana here and cocaine, that's drugs. So it's not allowed. That's very dangerous business. Sis Lilibit, dali mag-coffee ta. I'm not feeling well. I am feeling sick. Scott, I have I will upload later in my Patreon. Leopard leopard, what is that? What's this? Panty, bikini, um so and any style of bikini you will sew there. So yeah, you try to check my what we call it that, ano pa yung tawag, you're still my you're my member, right? Renew your membership. It's time to renew my membership. I will upload later. Scott White mini jeans is allowed in Thailand, but here in the Philippines is, yes, all kinds of illegal drugs. Yeah. Here's I know here in the Philippines also, as there's some people in a secret way, in a secret, just that kind of illegal, you know, illegal business. That's dangerous. So very scary. Hi, Fatan, hello. Dito lang tayo sa aking sari-sari store. Maghimo tagkuan. Um,